Today we are going to show you how to access and follow your exercise program on Curovate. From the home screen, press the green button with 3 vertical dots beside Stage 1. Press the plus button beside each exercise to access the exercise-specific video. Beside Stage 1, you will see the information button, which is a gray circle with the letter I in it. Pressing this button will open the goals you need to complete in Stage 1 before being able to progress to Stage 2. We are currently on the exercise list for the morning session. To access the afternoon or evening exercises, press the afternoon or evening button at the bottom of the screen. You can scroll through the list of exercises. Press the back arrow beside Stage 1 to return to the home screen. You can jump to any future stage manually by pressing the green button with 3 vertical dots beside More Stages, and then pressing the Reveal Future Stages button. Then press the green button with 3 vertical dots beside the specific stage you want to access and press Reveal Future Stage. In this case, we jump to Stage 2. Beside the information button is a gray drop-down box that says Day 1. You can click this box to access the exercises for Day 1 through to Day 7. Each stage is generally 7 days long, with the exception of Stage 1, which is 1 day long. However, it can take you longer to complete each stage depending on your exercise pace and rate of recovery. Let's click Day 5. You can now see all the exercises you need to complete in the morning session of Day 5. You can click the afternoon or evening button at the bottom of the screen to access Day 5's afternoon or evening exercises. If you just finished surgery and have decided to use Curovate, you can start at Stage 1 and complete all the exercises listed in Day 1. After completing the first day, you can progress to Stage 2, since Stage 1 is 1 day long. If you are later into your recovery process and have decided to use Curovate, you can jump to a future stage. Ideally, pick the stage that has the same goals as your current recovery goals. Remember, you can see the goals of each stage by pressing the information button, which is the gray circle with the letter I in it. And that's how easy it is to access and complete your Curovate exercise program correctly.